Welcome everyone. This is the capsule number 3 concerning greenhouse restoration project. So today we're gonna talk about the advancement on the interior works, mechanical room, electrical connection, basement advancement and backfilling. Thank you. So as you can see, this is an important part of the restoration concerning all the structure. We have wood components and metallic components. So we're doing the preparation and then we're gonna start painting by gun the whole structure. So this is most of the architectural works being done today in the greenhouse. So here we are in the palm house interior. So as you can see, in the last capsule, we've got the preparation for the concrete slab pouring. Right now it's done. This is one of the big advancements we've got in the recent weeks. So as you can see, this is part of the layout of the interior, of the new interior of the greenhouse. As you can see, there is many places where we're gonna have plants over there in the right hand side. In the middle, we're gonna have also artificial stream going organically through the interior. And in that part, we're gonna have the ramp. This ramp is in order to have access for the residents. So that's it.